In this video, you will learn how to track Moneygram's money orders. Find the Moneygram order details. To find it and track it, the number is printed on your money order itself, typically in the upper right hand corner. If you do not have a physical paper money order, you will need to see the details from your receipt. Use the Moneygram website. Follow these steps to track your Moneygram online order. Go to the Moneygram website. Select Track option from the home page. Look for the Track option link, usually found in the Help Support section. Then, enter the required details, input the serial number of the number, and send us information such as the name and the country to track its status. Call Moneygram customer service. If you're having trouble tracking it online or prefer speaking to someone, you can call the Moneygram customer support. They will ask you for your serial number and send us information to assist you on this matter. Visit a Moneygram location. If you prefer an in-person assistance, you can also visit a Moneygram location and ask them to track the money order for you. Bring the serial number and any relevant details, such as the sender's name. Check for deliveries or status updates. Once you've tracked the money order, you should be able to see whether it has been cashed, delivered, or still pending. If there is an issue, Moneygram customer service can help you resolve it, including stopping the money order if it hasn't been cashed. If you're tracking for the purpose of cancelling money orders, lost or stolen, be sure to inform Moneygram right away to take necessary precautions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.